Daily. We're hanging out here in the studio with Goodwill Hawaii. We've got Kelly Cho over here, and you brought some awesome models. Of course, we see some like cowboys, cowgirls, and we're going to figure out what that one is in a little bit. But let's talk about these inspirational ideas that you guys have for Halloween.
Yeah, so I mean, Halloween's our favorite time of the year, but what's great about shopping at Goodwill for your Halloween costume is not only is it great for the planet, right? You're shopping secondhand, so sustainable, it's affordable, and best of all, it's great for the community. What a lot of people don't know is that Goodwill, when you're shopping in our stores, the money stays right here in Hawaii, gets reinvested back into our free job training and employment programs that help thousands of Hawaii residents every year.
That really is the best part when you're shopping at Goodwill Hawaii. Yes, you are going to find those mega steals because it's gently used clothing or household items, but also there's some brand new stuff as well, right?
Yeah, all of our stores have a Halloween boutique, and so there you can basically find wigs, hats, anything, accessories that basically complete your costume. So the idea, we want you to come in and, you know, find clothing, and then you can pair it with the things to make it a complete look.
Yes, okay, speaking of complete look, I was wondering what this guy could be back here, and I'm thinking he could be Duck Dynasty, but we just need to find him a wig.
Yes, we got to find the wig at the store. He did have one, it blew off in the wild.
Oh, okay, sir, would you come over here and stretch your stuff for us?
I mean, there's lots of options. He actually got this full outfit at Goodwill, so he could be a lumberjack, he could be Duck Dynasty if you add the wig.
Okay.
All kinds of, you know, you just got to have the imagination.
Right, exactly. And then tell us where the models came from today.
Yeah, so all of our models here are from Kapolei Charter School. And so Kapolei Charter School is a school that Goodwill Hawaii actually founded in 2017. So basically carrying out that mission that we have to help people find jobs in the community, we are doing that in the high school. So they really focus on career pathways. So they actually got a nice little tour of the studio today, and they learned about all that they can, you know, jobs that you could find at Hawaii New Sound.
Yeah, awesome. Well, I'm glad they're here with us. You guys are looking sharp, especially you two over here are like a cowboy, cowgirl action.
Cowboy, this is Halemano. And he, the shirt is from Goodwill, but everything else, you know, he's a real cowboy at heart.
There you go. I was going to say, where'd you get that belt from? Which one? Which one? Is that your own belt or what? That's the fun part. It's like you can have like half the outfit already at home. You just need maybe, like we mentioned, a wig or a hat.
Or a hat, yeah.
Or makeup. You guys have makeup too, yeah?
Yes, we have Halloween makeup as well, full kits. And then the cowgirl to match.
Oh, no.
And she actually found this hat and the scarf in our Halloween boutique at Goodwill.
You know what's funny is I have the exact same hat, girl. We could be matching, just like you two, you and I could be matching. It's upstairs in our office because I kept it from last year's Halloween. Yes. I think it was, like last year was like all about Barbie. So I was like, you know, we might just need this, you know, at some point on High Now Daily. We're doing all kinds of fun stuff. Why not just keep this hot pink hat for whatever we do, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So if people wanted to shop at the locations, they wanted to learn more about the incredible programs at Goodwill Hawaii, where would they go?
Yeah, you can visit our website at goodwillhawaii.org. And if you go to our Halloween website, we have lots of inspiration. You can find costume ideas, tips on, you know, how to do makeup, Halloween makeup, and a lot more.
Beautiful. And as we go to break, I'm just going to go mosey along over here on this side because we didn't even touch upon all of this. Look, we've got mermaid action over here. We've got Dorothy from The Wizard of Oz. I think this one would be perfect for, like you mentioned, a witch or like a fortune teller of some sort. Minnie Mouse over here. I mean, you really can make it your own. And this is like Big Bird. This is Big Bird right here.
That's exactly what I thought. Big Bird.
All right, we're going to take a quick break while I put this on. Maybe I'll be Big Bird. You're watching High Now Daily. Come on back.